Warm welcome to everyone. In today's video lecture series, I am here to present on the topic various properties of concrete. As far as concrete properties are concerned, there are three main aspects to be considered which plays a vital role in strength and durability of the whole structure so that it can withstand any amount of loading without any collapse or failure. The three properties are strength, permeability, and thermal properties. As far as strength of concrete is concerned, strength plays the most vital role in performance of the concrete. It is associated with compressive strength of concrete, which means the characteristic cube compressive strength of concrete after 28 days of curing. There are certain ingredients in concrete which contributes to the overall strength of the concrete. It depends upon various factors such as water cement ratio, the quality of aggregates used, the compaction, amount of compaction in which concrete is placed, and the type of curing, etc. The major constituent in concrete is cement paste. Therefore, the strength of concrete is directly dependent upon the quality of cement paste, which also depends upon the quality of water and also the water cement ratio used in concrete. So water cement ratio is the ratio between weight of water and weight of cement used in concrete. So lesser the water cement ratio, greater the strength of concrete is achieved. And also the strength of concrete is dependent upon the use of pozzolanic admixtures such as fly ash, GGBS, silica fume and microsilica, etc., which also contributes to the overall strength of concrete. Since pozzolans have less cementing value, but it contains a rich amount of calcium hydroxide, it forms compounds that are cementitious in nature. So this reaction contributes to the overall strength of the concrete and water tightness, that is water resistance of the concrete. So strength plays a major role in concreting. By adding pozzolanic admixture, as I already mentioned, it increases the plasticity and also the workability of the concrete. So it should be used as a partial replacement in cement instead of using completely. So in that case, we can minimize the use of cement and also bring in economy in the process of construction. So the use of pozzolanic admixture imbibes the early high strength of concrete by adopting low water cement ratio. So excessive use of pozzolanic admixture may result in higher thermal shrinkage, drying shrinkage and lower creep coefficient. In this case, if you use more amount of cement content, there are chances of formation of crack inside the building due to increase in thermal and drying shrinkage. So this also affects the overall strength of the concrete. Therefore, high early strength concretes are more prone to cracking than that of low strength or moderate strength concrete. So the strength of concrete, if it is minimum, there are more chances of micro cracks or structural cracks in the concrete. So this can be avoided by using proper mix design and proper mix of pozzolanic admixtures in concrete. So these micro cracks are sufficient enough to allow oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gaseous content which affects the long-term durability of the concrete. So in order to reduce the amount of cracks present in concrete, it is necessary to adopt proper mix design as per Indian standards such as IS 10262 2019. So recent studies have revealed that use of high strength and high cement content in concrete leads to shrinkage and structural cracks in concrete, which should be avoided by using appropriate amount of cement content. So strength property plays a vital role in concreting, and this video I hope everyone had a idea about various strength aspects of concrete and what are all the materials and in what proportions it should be used so that we can attain overall durability in whole process of construction. Thank you for listening to this video. Let's meet again in another video of this video lecture series. Have a good day.